Oh man. Oman? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Oman. Yalla habibi! Our exploration of Muscat starts with Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque, and I gotta tell you something, it's absolutely gorgeous. It is coffee time, and of course we are getting Arabic coffee. Excellent presentation. Now Arabic coffee includes a whole bunch of spices, cardamom, saffron, cloves, and that's what makes it so unique. It always comes with dates. This place is not only a coffee house, it's also an art gallery. You can play chess here if you feel like it. Gorgeous. Wow. They also have a studio here where you can try traditional Omanese dresses. It's a local Omanian cat asking for food. You hungry? He's hungry. Alright, only in these countries like Oman you can see a shop dedicated to dates. Dates, dates, more dates.
My name is Muhammad. I'm from Yemen. Actually, this is the shop for my uncle. We have here dates from Oman. We have 4 types, and we have honey from Yemen, and we have coffee from Yemen. Actually, Yemen have the best coffee in the world and the best honey in the world. And we have saffron, we have vanilla. Welcome to Oman. Shukran. مع السلامة.
the best thing to do in Muscat at night is to walk over Mutra. Mutra is Mutra or Matra? Mutra, I think. Mutra is that place right by the water where you can come, chillax. It's not as hot, and just enjoy this. And right now we're going to Mutra Souk, the local bazaar. We just had traditional Omani dinner. It was pretty good. I felt it was lacking some spice. And now it's 11 p.m. We are walking back to our car. This was day one here in Oman, and I think I'm already in love with this country. And I want to share with you something I learned today. Oman is a sultanate. Sultanate is different from kingdom, and the main difference is that sultan has a little bit more of religious power. And therefore it's called sultanate because sultan is in power. There are only two sultanates in the world. Oman is one of them, and Brunei is the second one. Today we drove about 90 minutes outside of Muscat, and we're going to visit Wadi. Wadi is a canyon filled with water. Now some of the wadis are empty. We saw probably a couple dozen wadis on the way here, but this one, Wadi Shab, is full of water, and this is apparently one of the top things to do here in Oman. We parked our car, we took a quick boat ride, maybe 1 minute long, and now we're hiking. The hike is about 40 minutes before we reach the Wadi. Apparently there are 3 pools there. One is kind of shallow, second one is deeper, and third one is even deeper. That was quite an experience. Now very slippery, so you definitely want to wear your water shoes, but even that is not helping. But what a unique experience. Absolutely incredible. Good morning. Yesterday was a crazy day with swimming in Wadi Shab, and today it's going to be another beautiful day here in Oman. We are leaving our beautiful hotel here in Muscat, Aloft Hotel, absolutely amazing. And we're going to Nizwa, another city about 2 hours away from Muscat. and later we have a surprise. Stay tuned because we're doing something special today. Yalla habibi. The Nizwa Fort was absolutely stunning, and now we are going to check a local souk, Nizwa souk. Alright, we left Nizwa and now we are on our way to a desert. That's where we're going today. This is going to be our activity. Now we cannot go all the way to the desert because it requires a full 4x4 special tires. So we're going to go to a meeting point right in the middle of nowhere at the gas station, and they are going to pick us up. So in maybe half an hour we are going to be in the desert. This is our desert house. So apparently I was wearing this band all wrong. The guy in the hotel told me this is something that people from Dubai wear, and he offered me to do an Omani style, and that's what it is right here. And he was very kind to do it for me. So yeah, now the whole thing, the whole outfit is Omani. What a beautiful morning here in the desert. Yesterday was such a beautiful day. I was overwhelmed with the views, with just the overall vibe. And at some point I stopped shooting because there was too many pictures, too many videos. It was just gorgeous. It was stunning. Nothing beats desert. Arabic coffee.
تحيات مركز الأمن البحري. أرقام التواصل الخط الساخن 19.
We made it to the Mall of Oman, 2-hour drive, and we are here super hungry. I got pad thai and I also got a sandwich, chicken sandwich. So must be all the hard work that we did yesterday climbing the dunes.
اللي رفت 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 عيني تريد تشوفه وكفوفي تشبك بكفوفه حالف بربي ما أعرفه أتمنى هي نظرة سدي اسمعني 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 بحثت الله.
Alright, wrapping up our epic Oman adventure, and let me tell you something, this country exceeded all my expectations. Even though I try not to have a lot of expectations going to a new country, what an incredible adventure. Tomorrow morning we're flying out, but we're not going home yet. We're not going to Canada, can't wait. We are going to India, and if you guys want to see our adventures in India and in other countries around the world, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you somewhere else in the world. Bye.